Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Katie Shindig, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Or if you're new here, I'm Katie. Hi, nice to meet you. You should go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring the little notification bell so that you get notified every time you upload. Today I am back with another Nadine West clothing subscription box. If you're not new here, then you know that this has become by far my favorite clothing subscription box. I've completely quit getting trunk club. I'm about to quit doing Stitch Fix. I just love Nadine West, but I don't know what other kind of videos y'all would like to see, so comment down below and let me know if I quit doing those, what else you want to see. If you watch this video and decide that you would like to try Nadine West, I will have a link down below so that you get $10 off and you get free shipping, which $10 doesn't sound like a lot, but with Nadine West prices, like, it's okay because they have like Forever 21 prices. I actually really like it. So before we get into all the clothes, I'm going to go through my styling profile for y'all just because I get a lot of questions about it. Okay, so the outfits that fit my style, I picked classic, trendy, and vintage, not romantic. For I mainly need, I selected tops, bottoms, and dresses and did not check scarves. Please, no one ever send me scarves. Ever. For jewelry that fits my style, I didn't really want to click any, but they don't give you an option to not do jewelry right now, so I have clicked classic and romantic. I stayed away from the trendy and vintage. For jewelry that I mainly need, I hit earrings and bracelets because I won't really wear anything else. I have a daily necklace that's currently broken that I would like to get fixed, so there's that. I typically wear, I clicked stripes, animal print, abstract, and solids. I don't know why I clicked animal print instead of floral, but I'm going to switch that. I'm going to click floral and unclick animal print. For colors I will not wear, the only color that I selected was red. And for my top sizes, I did a small. For my bottom sizes, I did an extra small. For areas that I want to conceal, I did not select anything, and for metals that I love, I did gold. I don't wear any jewelry that isn't gold. I'm a gold girl. It can be regular gold or it can be rose gold, but I'm a gold girl. For my usual budget, I put less than $25, and they tend to stay within my budget. For my jewelry budget, I put less than $25. I will say I do find myself always sending the jewelry back, but it's okay because to send it back, it's free, and I've actually gotten a lot of clothes that I really like and wear daily. I'm actually wearing a shirt from Nadine West right now. I put that I prefer to receive shipments every 4 weeks, and for my style, I put I love being comfy but feeling cute at the same time. So that is my style profile for those of you that had questions. Don't forget, if you want to try Nadine West, use the link down below, get $10 off and free shipping. Now, let me not show you my address. Now, let's get into it. So, it comes in this pink pouch, which as you can see is perfect. It matches my lips. Pink is not my favorite color. Purple is. It's like purple, yellow, and then pink, but you know, anything girly kind of goes for me. So we're gonna open this package. And basically they just send you this sticker that you put over the sticker that came on here, and you send it back in the same package. And then they also send you a piece of paper with everything on it and your prices. The most expensive thing on my price sheet is $23.99. So that's really good compared to other boxes that I have received, as y'all have seen. So we have two little pink pouches here. You see they're super cute. So this one looks more interesting, so I think we're gonna start with this one. Just rip the tissue paper off. And we're just gonna start with what's on top. So the first thing that I see is a dress. It's this black dress with these shoulder cutouts, and it's just a basic black dress. I actually got my very first real LBD from my last Nadine West. If y'all didn't watch that video, you should go check it out. we just have a super simple shoulder cutout black dress, and this dress is $23.99. I do think, because I already kept one black dress, that I will be sending this one back, but the material feels amazing. It feels nice and breathable and cool. It's made out of polyester. It's 90% polyester and 10% spandex by the brand Elite. I do think I'll be sending this back just because I kept the last black dress, and a girl doesn't really need that many black dresses. I'm not like everyone else, and I don't constantly wear black. I actually tend to stay away from it unless it's my leggings, and then I only wear black. So yeah, that I think I'll be sending back, but I'm still excited to try on. Okay, y'all, so this is the black dress. I'm definitely not a fan. I don't like the length. I'm short, so I don't like dresses that go past my knees. And I'm not a fan of the shoulder cutout either. So I think that I will be sending this dress back. But, ooh, excuse me, I keep burping. But I'm not too disappointed by that, because there are a lot of other things in this box that I was super excited about. And next we have something cheetah print here. That was my mistake. Y'all heard in my style profile that I had animal marked off. Okay, so this is like a little throwover. I think when I try this on, I'll just try it on over the dress. But it's like this little cheetah print throwover. Oh, I actually like this. It feels comfy. This is the Wild Cardi animal print, and it is $23.49. So it's just a cheetah print animal cardigan. I actually really like this and think it would go really well with the black dress that I kept last time. Hello! And I think I might keep this, but we'll see when I try it on. And here is the cheetah cover-up. I'm actually a really big fan of this cheetah cover-up. Cheetah's such a trend right now, and I do have another black basic dress that's like this length that I got from Nadine West that I think this would be really cute over, just to like go out in. I feel like I'm a butterfly. I have wings. Let's fly. So I actually really like this cheetah cardigan, and I think that I will be keeping it. And the last thing that was in this pouch is this pink dusty rose dress. I'm actually really excited about this. It's like netty mesh up on the top, and then it goes into a solid pink. It's just a little t-shirt dress. I think it's nice. It's very nice to take a basic like this, and it just makes it a little bit more interesting having this netty material, and it feels nice and cooling. And if y'all have watched my videos in the past, you know a girl is all about some t-shirt dresses. I love t-shirt dresses because you can just throw them on and throw on a pair of sandals, or you can just throw them on and throw on a pair of sneakers, and you look cute and you look put together, and it was the easiest outfit you wore all week. So that is this dress is the Camilla Dusty Rose, and it is $23.99. I'm very excited to try this dress on, like very excited, and I think that I will definitely be keeping this dress. Like, I'm already 100% sure I will be keeping this dress. The pink dress, I definitely love this dress. I love the material. I love this mesh up top. This would be so cute with my white sneakers or white sandals, black sandals. This dress is just like such an easy thing to just throw on and go. I love things like that, and I will definitely be keeping this dress. And we are on to our next pouch. So in this one, ooh, we have some pants. Ooh, I like these. I wonder if I could wear these to work. Well, they're kind of like see-through. Are they? Can you see me? I mean, I can see you a little bit. I think they're supposed to be like workout pants. So they're just like these black mesh pants. I think they're definitely workout pants. They're definitely like a little bit see-through, so I don't know. They're just like these mesh pants. They feel really comfy and cool. I guess they're more like sweatpants, not work pants. These are the Steph's Slim Trouser, and they're $20.99. I'm really excited to try these on and see how see-through they are. I have on white underwear, so when I try them on, we will see if we're gonna see my underwear. If we do see it, I'm not gonna hide it. I'm gonna tell you guys the truth. But I am so excited to try these on, and they feel like they're gonna be like so comfortable, like a perfect summer pant. Like, I feel like this would be more comfortable to put on in the summer than shorts. Like, they would just keep you so cool. And I think if you didn't want them to be see-through, like if I wanted to wear these to work, I'd just put a pair of leggings on underneath them. I'm in a cooler all day anyways. Next, we have something yellow. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie to y'all, my Nadine West shirts have by far become the most worn shirts in my closet. Okay, I think that those last pants that I showed you were definitely like workout pants, because here we have a yellow muscle tank. It's just a basic yellow muscle tank. It's called Dannery, and it is $19.49. I think that is a great price. I think this would be a cute gym outfit. And I've been talking to Justin about how I want to get back in the gym and get a gym membership. So this is super exciting. I think I'll definitely try these on together, and I can't wait for y'all to see them. Okay guys, here we are with the outfit that I thought was a workout outfit. I actually really like this. The pants are, you can't even see my white panties. They're nowhere near see-through like I thought they were. They are definitely not work pants. They're a lot more like sweatpant looking, but the material feels so cooling. Like, they feel so comfortable. I definitely really like this outfit. I think I could just once again throw on sneakers, and this is just such a cute thing to just throw on and go out of the house. Like I said, I love that Nadine West sends like outfits like this. You don't even have to think about it. I think that I will be living in this outfit for the rest of the day, and although the dress was my favorite, these pants are definitely a close second. Definitely. And last but not least, clothing wise, we have, oh, this is cute. It's just a basic black and white striped shirt, quarter length sleeves. Just a basic tee. I feel like this would be really good for the fall time with a pair of jeans. I'm excited to try this on too. And this is the Rena black and white, and it is also $19.99. And last but not least, we have this striped shirt. I'm actually a big fan of this shirt too. I like how it fits. It's nice and snug, but it's not too tight. I have free movement, free range to move my arms. I like the way it fits. I think that I'll be sending it back just because I don't have any need for this shirt right now. But I do like it. If I had unlimited money, I would definitely keep it. I just don't feel the need to keep it. And like I said, I don't find myself reaching for things that are black that often. And I feel like this top is mostly black, so I will be sending it back. I feel like the good thing about Nadine West is that they send you like kind of like outfits, and not just like, oh, here's a shirt, oh, here's pants, oh, here's a jacket. Like the yellow muscle tank and the black pants, they go together. The cheetah cover up and the black dress you can wear together. So I really appreciate that about Nadine West, and I find that their prices are a lot more reasonable. So I also really appreciate that, because you can keep a lot more on a regular like human budget like I'm on. Like, I mean, I'm not a millionaire, I'm not like a famous YouTuber, like I'm just a girl that sits in her room and tries on clothes. So I really appreciate that about Nadine West. On to the jewelry. The first thing that we have here is a pair of gold hoops. Marin Elena, they're just a big pair of gold hoops. They have a little bit of texture. I'll probably send these back. Big hoops are not my thing. The reason I never even really want jewelry is I tend to wear the same earrings every day. Like, I only take my earrings out to clean them and then I put them back in my ears. So, you know, I'm way more likely to change a bracelet than I am earrings or a necklace. But these are the Jaja Marin Elena gold hoops, and they are $11.99. So, like I said, a lot more reasonable of a price, but I will be sending these earrings back. And the very last thing we have is a pair of studs. It looks like one got broken though. It did. One of my studs got broken. So I am going to email them about that just to let them know, like, hey, I didn't break this. I've emailed them before about something like this and they were really good and they sent me a new one. A shirt tore in the washing machine and I emailed them and told them, like, hey, I just got this shirt from y'all. I wore it once. They sent me a new one. So they have great customer service and I really appreciate it. These are the earrings. They're by the same brand. They're just little bows with these blue jewels in them. I actually really like these earrings, but I don't like that this jewel fell out. These earrings are also $11.99. Okay guys, so that is what came in my Nadine West package. Like I said, this is my favorite clothing subscription box. I'd be really excited to know if you guys try it. If you do, please comment down below and let me know. Let me know how much you love it, because I think that you would really love it, honestly. Don't forget to use my link to get your $10 off. And also comment down below and let me know what your favorite thing that I got was. I think that mine was definitely this pink dress with the mesh on top. I think that this was definitely my favorite item. But comment down below and let me know what yours was. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the little bell notification to be notified every time that I upload. And let me know what you guys want to see more of. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!